Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can perform emergency reset on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we go down and tap on Safety Check. Then tap on Emergency Reset. This will allow you to immediately reset access for all people and apps and review your account security. So the first step is to reset people and apps, stop sharing with all people, and revoke access from all apps. The second step is to change your account security. So this will allow you to change your Apple ID password and review your account. And the last one is emergency contacts. You can add or remove emergency contacts. Now tap on the Start Emergency Reset button to proceed. And in here, tap on Reset People and Apps as the first step. Now in here, say do you want to reset or manage sharing and access. So you can tap on that and then you can proceed. And I'm just going to tap on Cancel on that one. So you can follow the on screen to complete the emergency reset from here on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.